I'm sure you all recognize that label. I got 2 packages from... Wait a minute. I didn't send myself anything. I got one from Santa Slowdog. And the other one is from Radio Flyer. That's right. They used my boxes to send stuff to me. As you know, if you watch my videos, you saw that they were the 2 winners of the tattoo contest. And so they had boxes from me of their prizes to send something to me with. I had no idea these were coming. So let's open them up and see what we have here. Start off with Santa. I have Santa's name covered up on the package because, well, it's Santa. And, you know, it's kind of like Superman and his alter ego Clark Kent. You don't want that image ruined. Chocolate chips! Brownies with chocolate chips! Wow! Okay. Try not to get too excited. Uh-oh. I don't see chocolate chips. I'll save this way. Maybe this is a coupon I can redeem for chocolate chips. There's a note. Let's see what the note says. Jim, I have wanted to send you a box for the longest time. I know you are reducing what you have, so feel free to pass this gift along in a future, cool or not cool. Let the people decide. As you open this box, I want you to keep one thing in mind. Anything worth having is worth working for. And you, sir, are worth the effort. Though another thought might come to mind. This is not cool. LOL. Sincerely, Santa Slowdog. I like that, Santa. Oh, all kinds of Santa stickers. Santa Slowdog. Oh, a reflective Santa Slowdog. A different Santa Slowdog. Oh, I have extras. I have extra stickers I can give away too. Cool. Thank you, Santa. I've never shown, I don't think, all of the stickers I've received from people. They're on a board over that way. I have a collection of the stickers I've done and the stickers that people have sent me. It's the old box within a box trick. Okay. It's stacking boxes. What are those things called? Nesting dolls, if I remember right. So I guess this isn't a chocolate chip coupon. Oh, boy. Teasing me like that. The funny thing is I was just thinking how much I could go some chocolate right now. Oh, nesting boxes. That's Santa. It's not the first time Santa has played this trick on me. When I was a small child, Santa would bring me things, and that's how they would be done. Trying to be careful here for 2 reasons. I don't know exactly where this is in here, and 2, this knife's really sharp. It's totally detracting from what's at hand. There's Z-Series X-Acto blades, which are their sharpest, most durable blade ever. They have a zirconium nitrate coated blade. And I bought some of those a while back, and you know what? They're really sharp. Okay, so through that box. Now I'm understanding the anything worth having is worth working for. I didn't quite understand that at the start of this. But now for the hard part. Oh, that came apart quite easily. Santa Slowdog sticker on the back. napkin or a Kleenex, which come in really handy because I tend to get pretty snotty during builds. Ooh, oh, cool. That's cool. That that was his altered twin mill build. This is cool, and it goes this way. The engines are going that way. There's the front windshield. You'll notice the smaller wheels. This is cool. I like this. The engines, when I saw his video on this, the engines, there's something about it that's just really trippy to me. I really like that. It's such a cool idea. And yes, it's another one of those ideas I'm going to steal. Well, thank you, Santa. That's cool. These are definitely going to come in handy. Thank you for that. Now to the Radio Flyer box. Let's see what's happening in this one. I don't know why it feels like the Jeopardy music should be playing right now. Yes, I am exceptionally tired today. I actually had planned to open these last night, and old age got to me. Let's see. Hey, Jim. Thank you for all you do for the YouTube diecast community and for being the catalyst that brought me to my first buddy build. Obviously, your tattoo challenge, remember I mentioned that, is what prompted Santa Slowdog to invite me to do the build, and I thank you for that. I greatly enjoyed the build and getting to know Santa through it. Turns out that when it comes to sense of humor, we are very similar. Oh, I'm sorry, Joel. I guess being like Santa can't be all bad. As the build was dedicated to you and inspired by your The Grinch build, I feel it only appropriate that what happens next to the gecko next be up to you. Should you choose to pass it on to another collector via your Cool or Not Cool series, I would be thrilled. If you think of some other cool way to pass it on, I'm cool with that too. If it finds in a place in your collection for a time, I would be greatly honored as well. Joel, Radio Flyer. Oh, and Radio Flyer stickers, big and small. This is actually pretty cool because I'm taking a look and I don't think, I did have one of the Santa Slowdog designs already. Don't have any Radio Flyer stickers. So that is cool. Bubble wrap. More bubble wrap and bubble wrap and bubble wrap. Oh, cool. Oh, he made a card for it. Everything. I think it's just more bubble wrap. Lots of bubble wrap, which will come in handy for the future cool or not cool builds. So let's take a look at this. This is the gecko that he built. Come on. Okay. Out of there. Out of there. There you kind of have a hint as to what's coming. And oh, this is cool. That is so cool. Like the Silva logo in there. This is beautiful. Has his logo on the bottom. And for those who can't tell, it's another twin mill. They both did twin mills because they know I've done twin mills. And this is really beautifully done, Joel. This is cool. He custom made a lot of parts for it, and yeah, that's trippy. That is. I wish you mentioned that the Grinch was your inspiration for my Grinch build, and if only the Grinch was assembled and put together half as well as this, but. Yeah, I like the custom scoops and stuff. That is like so cool. That is really cool. So let me get this back in here. Get this all back together. Oh, it's an autograph edition. So there you have them. Pretty freaking cool, I just have to say. I really appreciate this, guys. I had no idea that you were going to send me these, anything. I really appreciate it. And I don't know what I'm going to do with them because you both know I am kind of thinning out the collection. I'm trying to narrow stuff down. So maybe they'll end up in a cool or not cool at some point. But they're definitely going to reside here for a little while. So I have to laugh at this. I seen the Silva logo in the back behind the car. Makes me think it's like a Silva treasure hunt. Anyhow, thank you both very much. I will put links to your builds in the description. Everybody go check them out if you haven't seen these builds. They're wonderful builds. And so there will be links in the description for this video. Everybody, thanks for watching this. Thanks again, guys. And stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one. One added note, as I was unwrapping this, I'm going to check it again closely. Check both of them. I found a little surfboard that goes with the gecko. I missed it when it was wrapped up in here. So anyhow, thanks again. I just wanted to point that out.